Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun, where math is simple, fun, and practical. Alright, we have another exam question here. Alright, so if you are preparing for 11 plus, make sure you go through the playlist. A rectangular swimming pool is 25 meters by 12 meters. A path 2 meters wide is built all around the outside. Find the area of the path. Okay, so let's say the swimming pool 12 by 25, so something like this. Okay, and this is the 25 meters and this is 12 meters, right? Now we're told that a path 2 meters wide is built all around the outside. So 2 meters wide, so let's say this is 2 meters. So you have this path built all around the outside, 2 meters wide all around. Okay, so this is just a sketch. Okay, so this is 2 meters, and then here you also have 2 meters, 2 meters, 2 meters all around the outside. This is the swimming pool. All right, this is the swimming pool. All right, 12 meters by 25 meters by 12 meters, and all around it we have a path 2 meters wide, right? Okay, now we are to find the area of the path. So this is the area we are to find. So let me shade it. All right, so we are looking for the area of this shaded part. Okay, the 2 meters path around the swimming pool. So we want to know the area. All right, this is one way to go about this. With this diagram now, we have 2 rectangles. The inner rectangle, the smaller one inside, and then the bigger one outside. Okay, so for us to know the area of this part, one easy way we can follow is to calculate the area of the bigger rectangle, calculate the area of the smaller rectangle, and then subtract the area of the smaller rectangle from the area of the bigger rectangle. Then we are left with the area of the part. Okay, so let's call this triangle A. So the bigger one triangle A and the smaller one triangle B. So that means we're going to do area of A minus area of B. Okay, we do area of A minus area of B. That will give us the area of the part. But we don't know the dimension of rectangle A. So how can we get that? Okay, note that this is 25 centimeters. The length is 25 centimeters. Then you have an additional 2 centimeters here, making it, so let me trace it out. This is 2 meters, meters. Here, this is also 2 meters, and then here is 25 meters. So altogether, you have the length of A. The length of A is 2 plus 25, 27, right? And then 27 plus 2, 29. So the length of A will be 29 meters. Okay, what about the width? Okay, here, if I trace this down, here I also have 2 meters. Are you following? Here I have 12 meters from this point to this point, and this point I also have 2 meters. So by the time you add 2 plus 12, you have 14. 14 plus 2, that's 16, right? 16 meters. Okay, so that's 16 meters for the area of the bigger one. So that's let's write that 16 meters by 29 meters, right? Okay, and I believe you've got the way, you've seen the way we got the 29 and 16. Okay, so that's for the A. And then for B, the swimming pool, we know that it's 25 by 12. So to find the area, because it's a rectangle, we'll do length times width, right? So let's do a multiplication. 29 times 16. 29 times 16. All right. So 6 times 9. 6 times 9 is 54. So 4, take 5. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 1 times 9, 9. 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, so we have 4. 7 plus 9, that's 16, 1. And then 1 plus 1 plus 2, that'll be 4. So that's 464 meters squared. 464 meters squared. And then we have the area of B. We'll do 25 times 12. Okay. 2 times 5 is 10. Take 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. And then 1 times 5, 5. And 1 times 2, 2. Okay, so you have 0, 0, 1, 3. So that's 300. Okay, meters squared. So the area of the swimming pool is 300 meters squared. So for us to know the area of the part, let's subtract. So if you take away 300 from 400, you're going to be left with 100. And then the 64 on top. Right? So the area of the part is 164 meters squared. Okay? I believe it's clear. Okay? The important thing is for you to be able to interpret the question correctly, analyze your question correctly, knowing that a part built outside 2 meters wide will go like this: 2 meters, 2 meters, 2 meters, 2 meters, all right? And it will form another rectangle outside it, okay? And then for you to be able to find the area of that part, you subtract the area of the swimming pool from the total area of the bigger rectangle. And that is what we did. We have 164 meters squared. Please go over the video, and if you have any question, always remember you can ask. Thank you. Bye.